Hi friends, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to send an email from PHP script. For this I am going to use my hosting account because from Jam server we cannot send email. Okay, for this we have to use our own hosting account. I have created a PHP file. I have saved this PHP file as test.php, and inside this test.php we are going to do our coding part. Let's begin our PHP. So this is opening PHP and this is close PHP. Okay, here we need to mention our codes. To send an email, 4 parameters we are going to need, and those parameters are: first parameter is to, so to which email ID we want to send this email. Okay, so I am here mentioning one example ID. Before sending I am going to provide one genuine email ID. Okay, so 2 parameter I have defined. Now I need to define what is the subject of this email. The subject of this email is test email script project. Okay, this is the subject of this email. Now I need to define another parameter, and that is what is the message, the body of the email. So here first I want to show hi, then I want to break the line, then I want to show this is a test script project. Okay, then I want to break 2 lines, then I want to mention thanks, then I want to break here, then I want to mention here Varcodex YouTube channel. Okay, and break once more. That's all. So we have defined our 3 parameters, and one important last parameter we need to define, and that is header. So who has sent this? This is very important, from varcodex@gyanol.com. Here's the sender information should present. Okay, now include /r/n. This is compulsory. You must have to include this at the end of this header information value. Okay, and I want to add one more information in the header variable, and that is header is equal to the content type. Okay, this is text /HTML. Okay, and don't forget to include /r and /n at the end of this header variable. Now there is a problem in this both values. What will happen here? If I declare this way, then it will override this value. This value only be stored in this header variable. I don't want this. I want to concatenate. I want to add this value with this, so I need to concatenate here. So at this line it will add to this value. Okay, now we are ready to send our email. To send an email from a PHP script, we are going to use mail function provided by PHP. Okay, this is the mail function. Here we need to pass 4 parameters. The first parameter is to, the second parameter is subject, the third parameter is message, the fourth parameter is, and which is the last parameter, that is header. Okay, so we have sent. So this function will send our email. Now we must have to know whether we have successfully sent the email or failed. To know, let's store this value in a result variable. Okay, this is a result variable. This variable stores this value. Now if result variable has a value, which also means if result value is true, then it means we have sent our email. Okay, so echo mail has sent, else echo fail to send email. Okay, let's save this. Now here I need to change the email ID. This is a email ID which I use for various purposes, so I can't disclose on the common platform, so I'm going to hide this, but you can provide any genuine email ID here. Okay, so I'm providing here. Okay, after changing this value I have to save this. I have saved this file. Now let's open the email first. Okay, so this is the email. Okay, it is now empty. Now let's run the web page. Let's load the web page. YAML.com / test.php. See, it is saying mail has sent. Okay, now let's check our inbox. Okay, see, we have received our email. In the script I have mentioned from Varcodex at the rate YAML.com. Okay, so it is showing the email is from Varcodex, and the subject is also showing test email script project. See, here I have mentioned test email script project, so it is showing test email script project. Now let's open this. See, I have, after hi I have included break tag, that's why this line shifted to here. Then I have then I have added two break tags. See, here I have two break tags. I have two break tags, that's why here we can get one more extra space, right? Then thanks, then our YouTube channel name, right? So this way, and here also it is showing from the sender's email. Okay, so this way from a PHP script we can send email, but here you have to note that in rare case it can take more than 5 minutes to reach the email, otherwise it reaches hardly in 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, create how to send email from a PHP script. If you have any questions, comment below. I am going to meet you with another important topic very soon. Thank you, friends.